Chaitanya from 7th standard.
Good morning to one and all. This is K. Akshika from 7th standard.
Today we would like to say a conversation between two friends. I play the role of Viharika.
I play the role of Niharika. Hi Viharika, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine. Shall I ask you some questions?
Yeah, okay, why not?
What is fast change?
Changes which take long time for to change.
Shall you say examples of fast change?
Definition of fast change is changes which take short time is called fast changes.
Examples?
Examples: burning of paper, burning of crackers, etc.
What is slow change?
Changes which take long time to change is called slow change.
What are examples of slow change?
Rusting of iron, growing of children, etc.
What is reversible change?
The changes which are reversible, those changes are called reversible changes.
What are examples of reversible changes?
Melting of wax, melting of ice, etc. Okay, now shall I ask you some questions?
Yes, ask me.
What is irreversible changes?
The changes which cannot be reversed are called as irreversible changes.
What are the example of irreversible changes?
Burning of wood, burning of crackers, etc.
Okay, now what is periodic change?
The change which occur in regular time intervals is known as periodic changes.
What are the examples of periodic change?
Changing of seasons, changing of day and night, etc.
Okay, what is non-periodic changes?
The changes which do not occur in regular intervals of time are called non-periodic changes.
What are the examples of non-periodic changes?
Formation of tsunami, formation of floods, etc.
Okay, nice to meet you, Viharika.
Bye. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.